is one the inverse of the other, or are they inverses of each other? All I have to do is determine either f comma g or g comma f. And if both equal x, then I know they are inverses of each other. If it equals x squared or x plus 5 or x over 2, no. This has to be single plane, plane x. So all I have to do is, let's determine f comma g or g comma f, even good. So this is by definition. Please write the definition first so you don't make an error. Then replace f of x. So we have g of 8x minus 7. And now you look at g. What does g say? G says this. Okay, 8x minus 7 plus 8 divided by 7. Do not try to simplify. So this is 8x plus 1 over 7. It does not equal x. No, not inverses. Now, let's make sure that I copied this correctly before you enter the answer. Is it 8x minus 7? Emily?
Yes, it is.
And x plus 8 over 7?
Yes.
Okay, then we determine g comma f. G comma f, so g of 8x minus 7, and we replaced 8x minus 7 plus 8, and this is 8x, so it's not x. They're not inverses of each other. I don't have to check the other one. It will be a waste of time. They're not inverses of each other.
So if we just check one and it's not x, we don't even have to do the other one.
No, it's not going to be x.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Thank you. Good. Other questions? Anybody else? Do you need help with anything else? Anybody else, please? I see that you're working in the background. That's fine. Is there anything I can help you with? I get a notification every time a student works on something, which is fine. But does anyone else need help with anything?
Yeah, can we go over a couple questions on 2.7?
Absolutely. I'm ready. Anything.
So I got 25. I'll share this one.
That's fine. I want to give you a boost so you can get ready for this.
So I got this question. Am I sharing my screen?
Yes, you are, but I cannot read what it says. Find. Okay, you have to enlarge the graph so we can see it.
Right. Find the domain of f and g.
The domain, it says?
Yes.
Okay, so is G in red and F in blue?
Correct.
Okay, so the domain, can you enlarge further or not?
That's what I was trying to see. I don't think so.
Okay, so the blue appears to be between 2 and 5. I can read. So let me open. You said it's 25 into that 7.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to stop sharing, maybe I can open something. Let me take a look.
Okay.
Just give me 1 second. Almost there. If I can't open something, it means that I'm considered logged out. So I had to go back to the vital source course materials. Okay. Let me see if I can find it for you. Okay, almost there. Okay, I'm going to 2.7 to the practice, right?
Yes, correct.
And that's 27. Okay, perfect. So 27 in 2.7. Oh no, you said 25, sorry.
Yes, 25.
25. Okay. I'm trying to. You have a very good grade on this section. Can I share my screen? Because I'm not allowed to share my screen when there is a grade there.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, then. Only with your permission I can share. Okay, so see, f of x starts at -2 and finishes at 5, as I thought. So it's between -2 and +5. Now, that's the domain of f. The domain of g is between -3 and +6. But we have to find the common territory, common domain. See, right here, this function, the blue function at -3 does not exist. So we will not be able to add those two functions unless they both exist at the same time. And they both exist, as you see, between -2 and +5. Beyond that, only the red function exists. So when we add, subtract, multiply functions, we have to find the common domain. And the common domain here is between -2 and -5. That's why they said the common domain is, for f plus g, is -2 to +5. Is that okay?
Yes, that's good. Thank you.
Yes. So at some point in time, we also wrote that. So let me write it again. So the domain of f plus g, f minus g, and fg, all these three functions always have domain, the common domain. Meaning, if I have a function that is this, and I have a function that is this, this is the common domain, where they both exist at the same time. I'm just going to put some numbers in, -2 to 4. So the common domain is -2 to 4. Because here, only this function exists. Here, only the other function exists. So in order for us to add them, subtract them, and multiply them, we need a common domain. Good. Very good question. Now, I thought you said something else. You had more than one.
No, that was it.
Okay. Anything else? Other questions? Anything else from 2.8, 2.9? Anything? Brand, if you can stay for 1 minute after class so we can discuss that situation with your testing center. I promise, just 1 minute.
Yes.
Good. Anybody? Other questions, please? Anything else you would like us to work on? Do you need help with anything else? Anyone, please? Other questions?
I have another one. I'll share my
Yes,
screen.
yes, please. Okay. So write an equation for the line L. The line L is, I'm assuming, the red one. Okay. In Points-Law form, okay, and slope-intercept form, fine. L knowing that it's perpendicular to y equals, okay, so the line is perpendicular to y equals 2x, and you see it passes to the point -2, -4. Very good, awesome, we can stop sharing. So here's what we have. We have this line whose equation we do not know, but we do have two pieces of information. Here's one. It passes to -2, -4, and is perpendicular to the line y equals 2x. So I know y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. I know the point is -2, -4. The only thing I need to determine is the slope. Is there any way we can determine the slope? Any way we can determine the slope of this line? Knowing that it's perpendicular to a line equals y equals 2x. So how much is the slope?
Would it be 2?
But it would be 2 if they were parallel.
-1/2.
-1/2.
Multiplicative.
The negative multiplicative inverse, yes. So y minus minus is y plus 4. -1/2. X minus minus, it's x plus 2. I distribute. Y equals -1/2 x. -1/2 times 2 is -1, and I bring 4. Of course, I have to change its sign. So the final form is -1/2 x minus 5. So this is the point-slope form, and this is the point, I'm sorry, this is the point-slope form, and this is the y-intercept form. So they may want you to enter this first, and then this second. So this is the point-slope form, not simplified, and this is the slope-intercept form, which is fully simplified.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Anyone else needs help with anything else from any section? Anything you need? You do not have to have everything 100%. Just do everything with 70%. They will open again till the end of the semester. You can raise your grade if you want to. Do not spend time on everything 100%. There is no need. Next question, please. Other questions? Anything else? I see you're working on something. Let me know if you need help. I'm deleting these notifications that I get whenever a student works on something. Anything else? So there are 10 more minutes. What would you like to do? Do you need me for your homework? Do we have other questions?